A big? It's big, yes. Emma! Look at my baby Emma! What's that?
Swing.
A swing? Or is it a chair?
Chair.
A chair, yeah.
A pole.
A bow.
Pole.
Hi, Emma.
A camera. A book. Book.
Ellie, what's this? What's that?
Stroller.
It's a stroller. And what's that?
The baby doll.
A baby doll. And what's this?
Castle.
It's a castle. It's Disney.
Disney castle.
It's a princess. It's a baby princess. It's baby Belle. Here, let's turn it over and you can see what it looks like.
Wow.
Wow.
Open.
We will. Yes. You gotta help Emma.
Look at Emma. Hi, Emma.
What is it?
Good morning. Merry Christmas.